Hey, my friend, listen, if financial literacy is something that you are not doing right now, you need to practice it and unlearn some of these spending habits and things that we are doing out here, which is unnecessary. You know, when I think about this life, we have one life to live. And sometimes we are so overworked, anxious, we have stress, we have so many things going on. But a lot of people don't understand that they cause this upon themselves, right? The more money they make is the more their spending go up, right? And we're so conditioned to always want to match up to the Jones, or we want to impress, but it doesn't make sense. Does it make sense to work 40 hours plus overtime, working yourself off, and you can't enjoy it? It doesn't make any sense. So financial literacy is super important. We have got to capitalize on learning, becoming knowledgeable, right? Investing in asset as opposed to liability. This is something that I put in place, and this is something that I'm teaching my kids, because let me tell you something, it's not easy. So much things out here to attract us that our mind tells us that we need it. Do you know that oftentimes people spend because they are stressed? It's called stress spending, right? Where you think that you need something, your emotions start to get a hold of you, and as a result, you went ahead and spent so much money because you are emotionally attached to money, right? So we have to be careful. When people are stressed, they decide to do the worst. Go out there, spend and shop to make themselves feel good. But it's an emotional, financial stress. You don't need that. So spend wisely. Educate yourself, unlearn some things, the habits, the bad habits, and learn to keep more money as opposed to spending more. Don't become a liability as opposed to becoming an asset. These are things that we have to teach our children, because if we don't do it now, then as a result, they will come and start to replicate the same bad habits.